Have you ever wondered what a custom builder's personal residence looks like? Let's have a look. Step through these doors and enter a world where excellence is built in and every corner tells a story of luxury and precision. Rest easy, knowing that every detail has been meticulously crafted for quality and peace of mind. This is more than a home. It's a rare opportunity to live a lifestyle designed to the highest standards. Don't miss your chance to own this custom builder's masterpiece.